Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothoughts, the most excellent series, Zero to Hero. Alright guys, we are back. Let's see guys, we are on lesson number 87, Python coding on Jetson Nano, and in this lesson I am going to show you for loop. Okay, what a for loop means. So basically guys, a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, okay, that is either a list or a tuple, which you learned in the previous lessons, or a dictionary, or it can be a string or a set. Okay, it's an iteration of these particular sequence. Okay, and this is more or like kind of a keyword called for. For is a keyword. That's what I'm going to show you how to code it. Now this is also unlike in other programming languages. This works more like an iterated method as found in some of the object-oriented programming, right? The OOPS concept, which I'm going to talk about more and more. All right. With the for loop, we can also execute a set of statements. Okay, a set of particular statement. Okay, once for each item in a list or a tuple or a set. Now I know this might be a little bit going above your head, but I'm going to show you a very simple code how this for loop works, so that you can understand. So let's take a look. All right, let's get into our Jetson Nano. I am already logged in and I am on my terminal. All right guys, so let me create a new file. Let's create, say, for this is for loop, so create a file called for nano for.py. okay, now I have created a new Python file. Okay, now let's see. Say for example, let me give you an example of, say, fruits equals, and you got to use a square bracket. Okay, let's say apple, and in the double quote, and then separator comma, and double quote for another value, banana, double quote, and then a separator comma. Let's give another one, say grapes. Okay, now let me close it with a square bracket. Now you got to use the keyword for. Say for, let's say x in fruits, for x in the fruit, the list which you created already, colon. Now let's say indentation, let's say print x. Simple. Now let's see what happens. Let me save this file, Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now I am into my terminal again, Jetson Nano terminal. Let's execute the Python file, Python 3 for.py, apple, banana, grapes. It's a very simple example, guys. So it's iterated one below another, right? So that's where this particular for loop will come into picture, and I'm going to show you more details in the next video with few examples of different kinds of loops and how you can play around with that. Alright guys, do give me a like and thumbs up, and I'm going to get back to you soon. Bye bye.